Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today, I'm going to talk about a side of jail where I really hear people mention, because the people who go jail and come back, them they really talk about them part there. Because based on how the culture set up, you realize places like Ironman, certain places, and Uncle Sam place, going to jail is actually a strength. Going to jail is actually a flex. Matter of fact, telling a next man say never go to jail, it is a this. I've been showing a video of somebody in a jail being, well, you can only describe this as getting abused. You go see man that try to say, tell the man it's a 5150 you come from, man. Basically, 87s that try diminish the brand of them rivals. Don't know you have the 1452 and you have the 5150, and they like make each other look bad to the point to the mid. Drag somebody night to look like him don't even know what go on. But they can't get much done because when I misdiagnose the problem. I find it fascinating that when you spend millions of dollars to go all kind of courses, only to come out with some cookie cutter off the shelf narratives, right? That is no use to man or dog. That's why Iron Man don't really fix much in 60 years, because the people them want to say, right, have the answers. Don't even know what them are deal with. It's like you go doctor, and the doctor will tell you say, alright, you have arthritis. You have to take a pill for arthritis. When I really Parkinson's you have. So no care how much pill you take for arthritis, the Parkinson's now get better. And every day you feel worse and worse and worse. Every day you continue to, you're deteriorating right before the doctor's eyes. And you say, but doctor, may I get worse? How much money me spend on prescription? How much money me spend on this? I'm not getting better. And doctor tell us, I'm the expert at arthritis you have. That's what them do. Iron Man, crime and the acidity in general. They misdiagnose it. Them say, oh, it's poverty. Yeah, that's the root cause of high murder rate. I mean, let me say, even a child in no more than maybe 5 or 6 grade should be able to look on a map of the world and come to the conclusion that doesn't even make sense. You don't even need to go around the world, just look in Ironman and the parishes in Ironman. I said that don't even make sense. I'm showing how culture is important. Right, then I'm showing you the video. If I get abused in a jail. I'm telling you, enough of my favorite celebs them, artists them, vloggers them, media personnel, your agents of the machine. Your favorite artists them help decide culture. So much so that you get to a stage where not going to jail is a this in black culture that is set by entertainers who are puppets of them daddy. If your favorite scholars them actually know what they were talking about, they'd realize that the issue lies in the culture and the mindset and who helped determine culture, who helped set culture. Your favorite puppets them, of course, your popular puppets them set culture. No youth in any high school, anywhere in a Jamaica, anywhere in a Chicago, anywhere in a Baltimore don't want to be like them favorite counselor or them favorite MP. That's not who young youths aspire to be. They want to be cool. They want to follow the cool people. That's whose words really matter. So much so they will violate them own appearance. Because them see them parents as boring and lame and I try to stop them from having fun. They want to be cool. And who are the coolest people in the world. The culture, especially black culture, tell the youth them say, if you're not bad, you're lame. This is why you never go jail yet, is a this. Think about it, man. How can that be a this? In black culture, that is set by the puppets who answer and are controlled by the custodian class who then answer back to daddy. Tell youths, especially young black youths, who already don't even, God bless the few who come from a stable home, who are already against the odds, that you on in the body can never go to jail. A matter of fact, the idiot DJ boy there, Puss in Boots, You call him Idonia, I call him Iclonia. You call him Diddy, I call him Doodoo. Remember they had the tune they will say, you never get a charge? Coward like dog? You never get a charge? How can that be a bad thing, you low IQ dummy? But this is what they tell the youths. You're lame. You never get a charge? How can you be? You never go jail? What kind of nerd this? You know, because some place them call it a square. Them say you're a square. That's a diss. The black youth is burdened by this invisible pressure that make him have to be some kind of bad man. You puppet DJ them, set the culture. You puppet Hollywood celebrities and them people that set the culture. But when the youth them go start follow now, then go realize that jailhouse is nowhere where you want to be. And if you think that, this is what I'm telling you, enough of my favorite artists them. Even though they see them on the streets, claim say them a gallus, enough of them you can undercover sprat, you know. But anybody who thinks it's a flex for go jail, have to be a sprat. If you think there is any strength in getting charged and going to jailhouse and going to prison, you're a sprat. How can that be a flex? How can you be locked up somewhere where you have to eat with man, sleep side a man, for the rest of your 30 years? Just be a seed bag around you. How can that be a flex? These people are agents of the machine. Agents of them sprat daddy too. That's why they can't say kill sprat, but they can't say killing farmer. How can that be a flex? How can going to jail be a flex? How can getting charged be a flex? You never go jail yet, you're an idiot. That's a diss. So that shows you say it can't be poverty, a force me to do something. How can it be? If me then I use it for degrade you. Remember no, you're degrading somebody by saying you never go jail yet, you know. You're dissing them, so how can that be a diss if the only reason why you do it is because you're not on a choice and you're desperate? That sound like somebody when on a choice and desperate to you, how would they brag about it? That make no sense. But we know so we don't believe in the things that make sense. We know so the culture not rate sense or logic or reasoning. Entertainment no deal, whatever sounds cool. If me eat sardine because me not have no other choice, and I'm so desperate me feed sardine, and yeah, we know sardine expensive now. But give you an example. Back in the day, sardine did cheap. Sardine dear now, sardine turn rich food now. But let's for argument's sake say we're going way back in time when sardine did cheap and considered poor people food. But things like sardine and tin mackerel was considered like poor man food. If me eat sardine or tin mackerel because I have no other choice, I'm so hungry and desperate because I eat it. Or me for them use it as a flex man you and say, yo, go you're not rich because you not eat sardine. That don't make no sense, does it? So when them say you're not bad, when them say you never go jail, when them say you never get a charge, it's because all these things are a flex in the culture. Many youths want these things. Enough youths not feel complete till them pick up a charge. Then they pick up a charge and go jail, and you go see one after somebody in a jail like in this video. Man have them in there spin propeller. Man in there turning on them personal chef. Man there prison, basically turn housewife. The other gunman. He might done housewife in a jail, and he might 87 on road too. Them not telling them story when they go back on road. Check this out.
Yeah, man, by the outside, you know?
Tell man him to 5150 yesterday. Bad man, tell man him to 5150 yesterday.
That's a 51.
Boy, tell man him to 5150 yesterday. Where you come from? Alright, tell him where you come from.
Come from Swope, America Coast.
Alright, which part of Gulf?
Waterloo.
Alright,
Swope, America Coast.
alright, which part of Gulf?
Waterloo.
Alright. Alright, water lane man. 5150 man. Yeah. From that.
Now, when me about 5150 and all them things, then I start run the file right over to see who this and based on how me I say this youth, it look like the boy them way, right? Can't him just try shame 5150 by saying, see we have 1 8 them and I beat them up. But unless everybody, right, I deny him. But you know, seem like this youth is 5150. More than likely the 1452 youth them a try just shame somebody and I try make them rival look bad by saying, see we have beat up a boy in a jail. But these things happen in a jail right true. Enough man got jail and I do something to them. But them come back a road come talk. Them tell us say, they come back a road come say, yeah, you that boy, you know how much time I got jail and then I tell us in a jail, this is what jailhouse is really like. And no human rights abuse group now can help you. No, this brother in the video, no human rights group now help him. All they can kick out, all them teach them, no human rights group now help him. They won't even acknowledge him. People who say them weep for the ghetto youths, they ain't weeping for him. You don't get woke points for talking about criminals abusing other criminals. Right? So you them out the way things that being bad and cool and things that jailhouse, go jail is a flex. After watching that video, they say you want go. If that youth was really 51-50, more than likely somebody would have dead already. Because if, for example, you have two big gang, if you have clans and one other man them say clansman might beat up on a film boy and the video gone viral and make the gang look quote unquote soft. Now if you go show so them not soft, if you go kill back somebody. Jailhouse stand enough if you go. Any man will tell you getting charged is a flex or going to jail is a flex. Rest assured that man is a closet sprat. Nobody can, they're going to take divine intervention to convince me otherwise. But in the black community that has been infiltrated by agents, right, who set the culture, right, the youth have been told that you ain't in a body, you never go to jail yet. You never get no charge yet. How much they go to jail? You never go to jail. Be a laughing. He's a nerd. Lame. It's a square. Jail. What me I do at jail? Everything what me like, not in a jail. There is nothing what me like, but in a jail. The place them I want go, they're in a jail. The people them I want their side, they're in a jail. Things them I want do, me can't do them in a jail. So if you tell me say you're not a problem go jail, and you love jail, and you're proud for go jail, and you brag, say you go jail and this man who no go jail, that show me say where you into in a jail. And where in a jail, be a man. Some man you into. Man you into, you know. Enough of them kerosene when you see about the place in my beard. When you call a beard, in my beard. The man flex with them 2 times and people think, say, oh, I'm girl that just for sure. In real man, in a gang. When the man gone to jail, he can't wait for commit one crime for go look for him man in jail. So this is what them tell the youths. Right? That going to jail is some kind of flex. Getting charged is some kind of flex. And put this in the minds of the youths and them tell the next you say, oh, you're not on a charge? Well, you're lame. Nobody know why you. Remember, you know, at 87 alone makes you drop panty. You're on 87? Go suck him more. You're lame. Them not telling about the culture. The reason why them love the poverty argument is because it is convenient and lazy, 2 things for them like. And the culture argument forces them to look themselves in the mirror because the culture argument don't just draw in sci-fi and J-Bad. The culture argument draw in Mr. Goody Two-Shoe down a Sagicor. It draw in the quote-unquote upstanding citizen down a ATL and Lasco, who are also deeply embedded in their city culture. They might not bust no shot, but they're deeply embedded in the culture and they stand for what their city culture stand for. So now you make the man telling about getting, if you're not getting a charge, you're lame and you're a coward. And if you never go jail it, then you're not real man. Them think they're a fool argument pushed by puppets of the machine. I'm already telling already 90% of your favorite artists, them and blogger, them and all the media personnel are agents of the custodian class. Right. Who are agents of them daddy. This is why when it comes on to some topics, they say, oh, I will not stop saying it because that's censorship. Them say I will not stop saying, right, if you're not getting a charge, you're lame. I will not stop saying kill the informer. I will not stop saying chop the line. I will not stop saying pop the molly. But when it comes on to boom bye bye, then all of a sudden they become so conscious of how their words affect society. Who is their master that they will find out? That they must go find out. Controlled opposition, who is their master? They pick and choose when to use the censorship argument. You don't find that strange? The light bulb may go off in your head? Of course it doesn't. See when the light bulb may go off in your head when it comes on. Just seeing how your favorite leaders them trick on a day in, day out. Just fall for the same trick over and over 60 years. That's why I'm telling you, I take it as a compliment. I'm actually disappointed that I don't think there's enough people who's going after a little YouTuber. I don't think there's enough. I'm low-key disappointed. I expected more. Cause that show me say, at the right side of the fence, me upon. When a culture as acidic as Jamaica, when the people who help dictate that culture, the artists and the vloggers and the media person, when them rise against the movement, that show me say the movement on the right path. The same if you're walking around a building and you see be a pedo in there, and the whole of them decide them gang up and kill you, just know say you're on the right path. Think about it now. Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know. More life. Vulture Squad, stay circling. Bless.